Well, it's harvest log, it's day 12, and I think it's August the 4th. Bit of a late start today. We had a look about 11 o'clock this morning onto some more wheat, more of the Skyfall wheat. And the moisture then was hovering around the 20%, so we decided we'd have an early lunch. Got on and moved a few sheep around, and then we got going at 2 o'clock. We're just into, well, just wrapping up this little block of Skyfall actually, which is just around the back of the farm, and yields have been really good. I think the protein levels are going to be down a little bit, but we've just got this last field. This is Clay Hill. We've just got this field to finish off, which we'll do tonight. It shouldn't take too much longer. It's about 10:30 I think now, and then yeah, then we'll have a look tomorrow. There's a few showers forecast for tomorrow morning, and then a dry day Tuesday, and then maybe wet again on Wednesday. So yeah, we'll try and push on. Once we've done this field, we've got to move. It's a bit too dark to be moving on the road at the moment, but we will get going again hopefully tomorrow. We might go and do a few peas tomorrow. Just moisture those this evening, and they were 15%. So we'll see what happens tomorrow.